this lecture, my topic is production of giant pulse by Q-switched mode. As we know, population inversion is a basic requirement of a laser. So, the power of a laser beam can be drastically increased by establishing high population inversion in the active medium. But when the laser starts oscillations, the high population inversion drops back to the threshold value of the steady state condition. If somehow we can stop the laser oscillation for a certain time, pumping process can build up the population inversion to a very high value. The laser can be stopped from oscillating if, for example, the parallelism of the resonator mirrors is disturbed. It can't reflect incident photons into the active medium and stimulated emission can't take place. Due to this, optical losses are increased to a high value and Q factor of resonator is spoiled. After giving the chance to achieve high population inversion, if now the resonator mirrors are aligned suddenly, then it reflects photons into the laser medium. The feedback of photons triggers a chain of stimulated emission and builds up rapidly a photon avalanche. Thus, laser oscillate suddenly and the cavity Q is increased abruptly, that is, energy starts to store. After a certain moments, all the stored energy in the cavity is emitted in a single short giant pulse, depopulating the upper energy level quickly. Thus, by controlling the value low to high of Q or Q switching, the energy of the laser can be concentrated into a single high power pulse. The figures shows the schematic representation of how the various quantities like loss, Q factor, population inversion and laser output power vary with time when a laser is Q switched. Before alignment of resonator mirrors, that is when mirrors are misaligned, that time loss will be high, Q factor will be low and population inversion is increasing. After alignment of mirror, loss will be low, Q factor will be high and population inversion is decreasing, and when population inversion or rate or population inversion is high, rate of decreasing population inversion is high, at that point output power will be high. So these are the summary of production of high output power using Q switched mode.